series on quadratic equation, solving it with completing in square. Completing in square is just a method of solving it, but it's a little, let me not say, it's a little easier if you understand the step to take. So today, this is the first question on it. This question, I will teach you how to get the formula method, which is, so write it down. If I'm correct when I solve, you see that I'm correct, so you know that I'm very correct. So take down the formula. As I was taking the formula, which is x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the first step we take to write our solution. So let's look at the question. X squared ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The first step is to take to divide each and every value by a. So a cancel a, x squared plus bx all over a plus c all over a equals 0 over a. Okay, then next step you take is to take this c all over a out of the equation and bring it out. So say that x squared plus bx all over a equals minus c all over a. But this one is out already. So we can solve further by saying that x squared plus bx all over a equals minus c all over a. Okay, next we do is to put out the square coefficient of b. So say that b all over a, you times it by half, which will be 1 times b is b, 2 times a is 2a. Then you square it, put it in both sides. But say that x squared plus bx all over a plus b over 2a all square equals minus c all over a plus b all over 2a all square. So looking at it, x square b all over 2a square, they have square in them. So we just take one square by saying x plus b over 2a all square. So the square is not looking there because I've already get half the coefficients equals minus c over a plus b square is b square over 2a square is 4a square. So in this case, we look for the LCM. The LCM is 4a square. So say that 4a square all over a equal to 4a square will give us 4a times c is minus 4ac plus 4a equal to 4a square is 1. 1 times b square is b square equals x plus b over 2a all square. So let's clean this side by solving further. So we can say that, okay, next step we take is to make this b square this way and take this minus 4ac this way. So it will be x plus b over 2a square equals b minus b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Okay, see, I told you bring this b square this way. The next step you take is to put square root in both sides. Because we want to solve, break this one down. We have to remove the square. Put square root in both sides. Square cancel square root. X plus b over 2a equals plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Okay, let's clean this side. Remember that square root can be presented as root power of inverse. So we can say that for this 4a square to be 4a square bracket inverse, because this inverse means square root. So we can say that by representing this 4a square in an index form, it will be 2 raised to power 2 times a square bracket r, which is the square root. So 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel this 2. So for here we will be left that our answer will be x plus b over 2a equals plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. Mind you, we are going to look for the square root of 4a square, which is 2a square. So the square roots will not affect this 2a again. So it will be x plus b over 2a equals plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So what it is to take this b over 2a to this side, it will be x by making x equal to formula, which will be minus b over 2a plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Because they are fraction, if we look for the LCM, we will still get the same answer, because there is no, because the LCM of both sides is 2a, so we just pick one by saying that, by picking one, it will be x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula that we derive when solving it, which is the same as this. So you can see that we are correct. So let's take a question pertaining to this method. Okay guys, this question too, but to solve it using COMPlETING square. So write down the question, which is x square minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Okay, you know in the first question we divide by the coefficient of a, but in this one is 1. So if you divide all of them by 1, it's of no use. So we move on over to the second step, which is x square minus 7 equals minus 10. We'll take it this way, you see the c this way. So the next step we take is to put half the coefficient of b, which is minus 7 all over 1 times half all square, which will be minus 7 times 1 is minus 7 over 1 times 2 is 2, the whole square. Put it in both sides, which will be x square minus 7x plus bracket minus 7 over 2 all square equals minus 10 plus minus 7 all over 2 all square. Okay, then let's solve further by saying that x equals, okay, because both of them are having square, we just take one square. That's saying that x plus bracket 7x over 2 all squared then equals minus 10 plus minus 7 all over 2 all squared. Okay, then we can open the bracket. X equals plus and minus minus, so minus 7 over 2 all squared. For the second one, minus 10 plus times minus is minus, so it's minus 7 all over 2 all squared. Okay, then x minus 7 all over 2 all squared, then minus 10. The square root of minus 7 is minus 7 times minus 7. Minus 7 times 7 is 49. So it will be plus 49 over 2 squared is 4. So look at the LCM, which is 4. Okay, 1 into 4 is 4. 4 times 10 is minus 40 plus 4 into 4 is 1. So 1 is 49 is 49. To bring this one down by saying x minus 7 over 2 all square. You have to clean this side so we can solve it. So we can say that from this point, minus 40 plus 49 minus times this plus is minus 40 minus 49 is 9. Then take out the bigger number, which is plus 49. So it will be plus 9 over 4, which will be x minus 7 over 2 all square equals 9 over 4. Okay, if I to move this square, we put square root in both sides. So square cancel square root. So x minus 7 over 2 equals 9 square is 3, 4 square is 2, plus minus. So for to make the shape of the formula, we take this minus minus 7 over to this side to be x equals plus 7 over 2 plus minus 3 over 2. So by doing this, we have two possible answers which are going to be x 7 over 2 plus 3 over 2, or x equals 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2. So let's go for the first one, which is x equals 7 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Take the next step, which is 2. 2 into 2 is 1, 1 times 7 is 7, plus 2 into 2 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So x equals 7 plus 3 is 10 divided by the 2. So the value for x is 5 for the first one. Then for the second one, which is x equals 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2. So we take the LCM, which is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Minus 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is minus 3. So x equals 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 4 over 2. So the value for this answer is x equals 2 into 4 is 2. So 2 is plus 2, which is all 2. So the possible answer to this question is x equals plus 5 and x equals plus 2. So if you are new on this channel and you enjoy what you just watched, kindly hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new content on this channel.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.